Hi Capricorn, welcome to Omkara Tarot and to a mid-month July check-in, energy check-in. This is going to be a simple Celtic cross to see where you are right now and to see if you need any guidance regarding it. So let's begin. Dear God, goddesses, angels, spirit guides, please bless this reading for Capricorn and send us the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Capricorn, these are general collective readings, okay, so will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, okay, and leave the rest. And we're good to go now. Thank you so much, all my subscribers. I can't thank you enough for your love and support. It's always a pleasure to hear from you. And if you're new here, we welcome you to the Omkara family and join us, subscribe, and we meet here once a week for all zodiac signs. So, oops, 3 of Cups. What is this, Capricorn? Having a good time? Let's see. The first card I have for you, Capricorn, in your current position is the 9 of Pentacles. The single, happy, abundant person. You seem to be doing well with your job and everything, but let's see what's crossing it or supporting it. The 9 of Wands. Yes, you seem to be standing strong, not letting anyone disrupt your energy at this moment. You seem to be in a very, very good place where you have everything in order. Great. That's a great place to be in. Page of Wands in reverse, and your foundation is the 3 of Pentacles. So were you or are you waiting for some kind of a message, Capricorn? Let's see, just check these energies first. Spirit, what 9 of Pentacles? Please give us a clarifier for the 9 of Pentacles for Capricorn, please. 9 of Pentacles for Capricorn. Okay, so something happened in your love life, Capricorn, which didn't give you much happiness. Something went down in your love life, and that's put you in a position to be single, but you seem pretty okay. You seem happy. You don't seem to have any trouble where your money or home or job or anything is concerned. And that's the reason you're in this place. You know, maybe a love affair went wrong, or you're not very emotionally happy at the moment. But you are really guarding yourself as well. You're not letting anyone come and disrupt your peace at the moment. So that's why this 9 of Wands was crossing it. Let's take a card for the 9 of... something ended in your love life, right? Something ended which led you to now be single and very protective of your energy. Spirit, a card for the Page of Wands, please. Oops, okay. This was a person, I think you've let go of somebody who was not very authentic. Maybe there were third parties. No wonder this card came out, the 3 of Cups in our overall energy. This could be a guy, who was into third parties or flirting here and there, and you've kind of just shut this person off. This person brought you no joy. Your foundation here is the 3 of Pentacles, okay? So either you're focusing heavily on work right now, you're not allowing anyone to enter your energy zone, and you kind of just turned your back from any nonsense or any nonsense of third-party situations. Because I do have a lot of 3s here. There is the 3 of Pentacles, there is the 3 of Wands, and there was the 3 of Cups as well, right? So you have kind of pulled back your energy from this King of Wands who was whatever, and you've kind of taken your power back. Kudos, great. These cards just showed up for no reason at all without my asking them, but let's look into them. Yeah, so you've turned your back, okay? Whatever this person was offering to you was a very, very small offer, but maybe this person wants to come back now. Okay, they want to come back to you with a stable offer once again. They want to bring back balance in this equation again because they're missing you, Capricorn, the lovers, right? So they are, after you've turned your back on them, I think they want to come back again to you with a stable, small, solid offer and bring balance. Okay, what happened in the near recent past for you to go through this? Oh, you guys were serious, weren't you? You were looking for this four of wands with this person, Capricorn. You thought this would probably be your happily ever after. This would go the long haul, maybe get married or have a long-term relationship. So what happened here, Spirit? You had a lot of love for this person. There was a lot of love here, and you were into this person 100%. This is in your recent past. So then, Spirit, what happened after that? Ah. You were looking for this growth, Capricorn. You were, see, Capricorn, this could be you, or I could be speaking to a cross watcher, okay? This is the feminine energy. This feminine energy was very intuitive, very kind, very good, very loving, abundant, everything. But this person, he came across as the Knight of Swords in your recent past, who's also coming across as the King of Wands in the reverse. This person he was not very authentic, okay? Came to you with maybe some harsh communication. This kind of broke your heart here, okay? And made you feel totally abandoned and left out in the cold. So this is the reason I think now your focus is only on yourself, and you've kind of just put an end to the situation, and you're guarding your energy big time. Let's see what's coming up now for you. Oof, the Tower. Some sudden change, Capricorn, coming up very soon. This is like now, in the second half of July. Spirit, what is this Tower for Capricorn, which is upcoming? Wow, okay. I think this person, Capricorn, the one I'm saying wants to come back to you. They've been stuck for a very long time, right? They have now thought about it. They've been enlightened probably, and they are feeling miserable, not having this Ten of Cups with you. I think they may be coming back to you with a message. Spirit, could you please elaborate on this, please? There's going to be a tussle here. They see you still, Capricorn, as this perfect wife material. They see you as this abundant, beautiful, perfect spouse. But they also see you having your guard up now. You're pushing them away, you're not allowing them in, but they are decided to fight for you till the very end. I don't think they're going to let you go, Capricorn. So, see how you're going to deal with this. So, let's see what's going to come up. So, Spirit, how does Capricorn feel about themselves at the moment? See, Seven of Wands, same card, Seven of Wands, okay? You are totally defending yourself big time. You don't want anyone to disrupt your energy, your power. You are keeping a close watch on any other options also coming your way, and you're keeping them at bay. This is how you are feeling right now. Let's see, take a card for this, Spirit. Yeah, you're not accepting any offers. You're not ready to accept any love offers, any stupid apologies. You have totally turned your back, I think, from love. Neither are you sharing it, nor are you accepting it. You have come to a point where you are only concentrating, I think, on yourself, Capricorn. Let's take one more card for the Seven of Wands, Spirit. Yeah, you have the world in your hands, Capricorn. You are saying, I'm not going to look back now. I have the world in my hands, and I have the whole wide world to explore. I'm just going to make new plans now, right? So you are not waiting for anyone to come in with a small love offer. You're keeping your energy totally tight at the moment. Wow, good for you. Let's see, how does this person view you, Capricorn? Wow. Capricorn, this person views you as the Empress, the queen above all queens. Now this Empress is unbeatable. No queen, whether she's a queen of wands or swords or pentacles or anything, can even come close to the Empress. And yes, I did see you are in this pre-empress mode already, right? The Nine of Pentacles, and you coming across as the Queen of. Actually, all the queens are here. You represent the Queen of Cups. You represent the Queen of Pentacles. You're in the Nine of Pentacles energy. You are doing very, very well, and this person knows it. This person is now probably hitting themselves that why did I let my Capricorn go? This is like the queen above all queens. I mean, I can't find a replacement for this person. Another card for the Empress spirit. Why does this person see Capricorn as? They see you as now free and abundant, and they are desperate to have a fresh new beginning with you, Capricorn. Now, please feel free to flip the energy. I think this reading is very female based. So, if you are the female Capricorn watching this is your reading. If you are the masculine, then this is the way you see your person, right? So, they desperately want to have a fresh new start with you, Capricorn. They want to leap in. Yeah, here it is again, Ace of Swords. They want to have some clear communication and they want to just move ahead in life with you. They don't want to look back anymore. They want to fall off this cliff for you. Anything for my Empress. Anything for my Empress. I mean, they're feeling like crap without you. They feel their Ten of Pentacles, which is the long-term stability, is in jeopardy now, because you have moved away from them. Excellent. Wow. Okay. So what is your hope or fear, Capricorn? You're hoping for this too, right? In your hopes position, you have the Two of Cups. You're looking for love, whatever you're pretending here, that I don't need anyone and whatever, heart of hearts, you're also looking for this Two of Cups. Now, whether with this person or with a new, I'm looking for somebody new, I don't know, but in your heart, you're not off love at all, right? This is in your hopes position, Capricorn, you're looking for love big time. So, Spirit, can we have a card for the Two of Cups, please? See? Need I say something? This is what you were hoping for in the past, right? This is what you wanted in the past, which this silly person, whoever this was, kind of messed it up for you. And in your hopes position, Capricorn, you're still looking for this. You're still looking for that love, that long-term potential, equal partnership, happiness, joy, stability, home. This is what you still want. I don't know what to say. You have been keeping a watch on this person. You have been waiting maybe and watching and seeing whether, this person may come back to you. Maybe you're not talking to this person, but you are definitely waiting. You have been waiting for a while and keeping a watch to see, will they come back? So here's a confirmation for you, Capricorn. This person also loves you very much. I think they made a stupid mistake and they're desperate now to come back to you for a fresh beginning. Last card here for you, Capricorn, is the Page of Pentacles. I think they're coming in with a solid offer, maybe a gift, hopefully a big sparkly ring for you. Okay, so this is your last card, which is an excellent card. It represents somebody coming in with nothing wishy-washy. This is slow, this is stable, and this is going to be like heading towards long-term stability, which is great because earlier this person was coming up as, the Knight of Swords and the King of Wands and this and that and whatever. But now I think this person has totally learned their lesson, Capricorn. How did you do it? Please share your secret with me. I think a lot of people would pay you for this kind of advice. Here, the Magician, right? So that's in your overall, your final energy. This person is manifesting you back big time. This person is manifesting a brand new life with you. They want a stable beginning with you. They are coming in with a very, very stable offer, not only of a pentacle. The magician has it all, right? They have the cup here, they have the sword, they have the pentacle, and they have the wand in their hand. So they're coming in fully prepared, fully geared to offer you this fresh new beginning. Excellent, excellent. Great, great. Do leave a comment, let me know, okay? I love love stories. Okay, so let's have one more card for the Page of Pentacles. They are going to come and apologize to you for all that they did wrong, Capricorn. They don't want you to move away from them and have a fresh start, and they are feeling miserable that they did not offer you this stable place earlier. But now they're coming in. Now they're coming in magician mode to offer you everything, and they're going to be, I think, it's going to be like a slow and steady wins the race kind of a thing. They're not going to fool you again. I don't think so. Yeah, they don't want you to be single anymore. They are very scared that you're going to be single. That was your first card, remember? Nine of Pentacles. Here you are looking gorgeous. All eyes on you. So they are miserable that, if you are in this state, Capricorn, you're going to be like just swept away by somebody else maybe. They also know that you're very angry with them at the moment. That's why they're coming in slow and, with a small hello, hi, how are you, or a small text or something. But back of their mind, all they want is to manifest a brand new beginning with you. So yes, this card also represents reunion, right? So this was our overall energy. So maybe in the past this was a third party situation, but this card definitely also represents a reunion coming for you. So let's see, Capricorn, how does this person really feel about you? Let's dig deep into their heart and see, how does this person feel about my Capricorn? Okay, what are their feelings right now regarding Capricorn? Oh, I already got 3 cards. Great. Oh, they are so scared, Capricorn. They feel you don't love them anymore. Queen of Cups in reverse. They feel you will not allow them in. They know that they are feeling, that's what they feel, that you will never love them again after all this conflict that they brought into your life. Maybe there were other people involved, or there was a fight or something, and they are in this state. 10 of Swords. They feel this is over. My queen will never love me again after all that I've put her through. Okay, so this is what is going on in their head right now. Let's see what's going on in your mind, Capricorn. Okay, let's also dig into your heart. What's going on in here? Okay, what's going on with the Capricorn spirit? What's going on with Capricorn? What are their feelings? How does Capricorn feel right now? Oh, you are so angry, Capricorn. You have kind of turned your back on this person, which we saw you did, right? You are almost on the verge of walking away. You want to walk away. You're showing them at least that you're walking away. You've turned your back. You feel this person tricked you. If this person played stupid games with you and it gave you illusions, and all these secrets came out, all these secrets about them being a trickster and whatever, and you are right now in a 4 of Swords energy where you are not even, I think, talking to them. You're just taking time out and healing yourself. So that's what you're going through at the moment while I'm doing this reading. So let's see what is going to be now our most likely outcome. Spirit, so after all this, what is going to be our most likely outcome for Capricorn? Okay. Oh my God. I have an equal pair here. Right now, They are a little scared to show you their emotion, okay? They are in the King of Cups energy where they're keeping their emotions a bit hidden from you. They know that, everything has stopped between the both of you. This is the most likely outcome cards, okay? So right now everything is at a standstill. Why? Because you both are in this energy, Queen of Swords and the King of Swords. Perfect match. So I think there's going to be some clear-cut communications going to happen very soon. And this King of Swords will turn into this King of Cups and maybe offer you some emotion or love or whatever. Because without you, they are not victorious at all. They will come and I think honestly tell you that they are very embarrassed and they are very sheepish about what has happened, and they're miserable that this Wheel of Fortune has come to a close. Let's see the advice now for you, Capricorn. What is the advice we can expect for Capricorn? I mean, what advice do you have, Spirit, for Capricorn? Okay. What's the advice for Capricorn now? One more card, Spirit. Oh, wish fulfillment. Okay. So this is definitely possible for you, Capricorn. Your wishes can come true. If you walk away from this person, right? If you really walk away from this person, you may kind of feel burdened because I think you do love this person very much. Even though you're trying very hard to move yourself away from this equation, it can get a little heavy for you, just the thought of moving away from them. So Spirit is saying make a decision now, okay? Make a clear-cut decision. And I don't think either of you want this fresh start alone, okay? Don't do anything foolish by walking away and whatever. And I don't think either of you, at least you, are actually wanting to take this leap of faith alone in your life. What you're looking for is the star, wish fulfillment. So wait a while, okay? Don't be in a rush to run away, walk away or whatever. Give this person a little bit of chance to come and talk to you and explain themselves, because I don't think you want to lose them either from what I've seen here. So let's see what my angels are going to bless you with. Angels, please bless my Capricorn with a lovely, lovely message. Yeah, see? Healing. That's exactly the board you're in right now. And Spirit says, don't worry, healing will come to this relationship too. Healing is already started. Whether you know it or you don't know it, this relationship is already undergoing some kind of healing, and maybe this is the time for you to, like what you're already doing, take some time out, and you are doing everything perfect, and Spirit is very happy for you, and they think you are sweetness personified. Because you are coming across as, the Empress. It's not easy to become the Empress. You have to go through so much in life. Yeah. This was just a lesson, okay? This was just a lesson which probably made you grow also, and now has taught this person a lesson as well. So don't worry about it. All this is over now, and soon healing will come to your relationship. And whenever this person comes back, Capricorn, don't be too hard on yourself or them. Be a bit generous, okay? Allow them at least a chance to talk. So that's all I have for you, Capricorn. I'll see you for your love reading next, and you better have made up by then, okay? Till then, love and light.